assessing an orchard we've worked on for a number of years in southern New England. There's about 30 trees, various types of fruit. Apple and pear are pretty dominant, and we're doing an annual visit, well, like an annual summer visit, to assess the protection and support from deer, other animals, lawnmowers, and we're adjusting. Got deodorant soap is a reasonable approach. It seems to help keep the deer away a bit in the cool season. And it's very fragrant. And then the guards are for, it has to be attached actually loosely so the tree can get bigger, but the guards are for when the deer rub their antlers on the bark, which can happen in the cool season also. So we're going through adjusting any supports, pruning off dead or diseased or crossing branches that aren't needed. See a previous year's cut right there. So encouraging outward growth so that the interior has some air and sunlight. Apples will fruit on the fruit spur, which will last for about a decade. Some of the other plants